Yeah, hello guys. This is TG Tech from iPhone Clinic. This is a KG phone. This is a KG phone. You can see. So it was brought to us. It was brought to us. The customer said it was having mouthpiece issue and charging port issue. So after when we opened the phone, we noticed the phone was corroded. The board was corroded due to water. So we serviced it, and before we service it, we did not remove this pan. So we just do necessary cleaning on the board. Let me hang my camera somewhere. Let me hang my camera somewhere. So now, before we remove this pan, the shield that was covering this component, so we just serviced the outer component. We just did normal servicing. So after replacing the charging port, the mouthpiece, this is the mouthpiece. After replacing it, then we tried to power up the phone. Like I said this is a KG phone, KG. So we tried to power up the phone. So when we inserted the battery, we noticed this phone was not coming up now. What could have happened? So we try and try. So now I had to remove the pan that was there. So I noticed there was a corrosion on those components, like this capacitor now. This capacitor that is there, we notice there's corrosion. Now it's even a bit neat, because before there's a corrosion on this capacitor. It was somehow, even all this corrosion, even all these components, it was somehow. So I had to service it. So after servicing, I tried to power up the phone again. It wasn't coming up. Now the reason why I'm doing this video is for you to know there are some phones when you can see this charging port. After fixing this charging port, I noticed this fourth leg, this one here, that is very close to the ground. It was bridging with this guy here. It was bridging with these tracks. So if any phone is bridging with these tracks, if this fourth leg, this is the fourth pin, and the ground, if it's bridging with the ground, the phone is not going to come up. Why some phones, if these tracks here that is close to the ground, if it bridge together with the ground, see that the phone will be getting, or the phone will come up. But if it come up, the phone it will be either the phone will be getting hot, or some keypad will not press. One problem will occur to the phone. So guys, if you have a small phone, this is not a Techno phone, this is a KG phone, either Techno or Itel, make sure the fourth leg is not bridging with the ground after changing the charging port. When I changed the charging port, I didn't notice, because I was not using microscope then though, so it was a normal thing for us to just change the charging port. So I didn't know, because it was not showing that it was bridging. So I had to use testimeter to check those legs. So I noticed these tracks, the legs of this charging port, this one and this one, was in close contact with each other. So I had to use the soldering lead to remove the excess of lead that was on it. So after it, so the phone came up. So I will test it so that you guys will see. Although I didn't test it when I didn't cover a video for that when it was not coming up. But it's working now perfectly. It's perfectly working. Let me try on it so I see. So guys, please, I'm sorry for the background noise, please. My video, I'm always apologizing for the background noise, because my area here is very noisy. You can see, so it's coming up, it's working. It wasn't working before, so it's okay now. So I said, let me quickly share these tips in case if you are having fun after changing the charging port, because there are some of my fellow engineers that will say, but I'm change charging ports, and immediately I changed the charging port, the phone was not coming out. Come up more. So that kind of issue is either the fourth leg is bridging with the ground. So guys, if this video is helpful, you can click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thank you for watching. This is TG Tech from iPhone Clinic.